Welcome to our channel. Today I would like to show you how to clean the speaker on a Samsung Galaxy A56 phone. For this, we need 100% pure isopropyl alcohol. We need a brush with flexible bristles. The bristles should be soft or medium hard because if they are too hard, they will scratch your phone. You can buy such a kit on Allegro or Amazon in this kind of packaging. And if you don't have one, you can try using a regular toothbrush, as long as it has soft or medium hard bristles, otherwise it will scratch the screen and the phone frame. So the first thing we do is turn the phone off completely. The phone cannot be on, so if you have it turned on, turn it off. We turn it sideways, so that it's easy for us to hold. Next, we dampen the bristles of the toothbrush thoroughly with a bit of isopropyl alcohol. This ensures it is ready for use. As I said, if the phone is on, you need to turn it off. It's turning on for us right now, so we'll wait a moment to turn it off immediately. If it's on, you just turn it off by using the volume down and power buttons until the menu appears, and then we select power off or restart. Once the device is powered off, we carefully make 10 to 15 strokes in one direction, using a single smooth motion to thoroughly clean the speaker. In one direction, because if you go right, left, unfortunately, the dirt will just be pushed around the speaker opening instead of being removed from it. So after 10 to 15 strokes in one direction, we perform the exact same motion in the other direction, also 10 to 15 times, to clean the other side of the opening just as well. If the speaker is very dirty, it's a good idea to repeat this same operation 2 or 3 times in each direction. If it's not that dirty, once in each direction is enough. After the operation, we set the phone aside for about 10 to 15 minutes so that the isopropyl alcohol evaporates, and then we can turn the phone on and use it normally. That's all for today. Thank you very much for your attention. Please give us a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and see you in my next video.